The open platform give everyone, any company, startups, and so on and so forth, opportunities for really develop the full potential, and in doing so, to the European economy to fully seize all the opportunities of these kind of tools like the open platforms to really be more and more and more competitive at the European level.
For us, access to location data and understanding there are some authoritative data sets all across Europe is super important to establish our business model. I believe there's a strong opportunity to create a tech hub of European startups using data to create value-added services on top of that and compete with companies all across the world. So I think that the biggest challenges would be to ensure access to data, so open data accessibility, and most importantly also interoperability of all the systems.
What we call the multi-sided marketplaces, so using data from different environments, from different use cases, bringing this data together and generating new information out of that. That requires openness, open APIs, open standards, open data platforms, and that is a task for the European Commission to support this approach, and maybe even when buying own solutions, to put that into the RFPs, to ask their suppliers also for this openness. That would be a way to support this approach.
The first thing is that we have to look at the rules that are already there, and are they actually helping the spread of open service platforms. So we have policies on standardization and interoperability where we work with industry, and we really need to promote that so that industry and users themselves can decide. At the same time, the Commission has to make sure that there are no regulatory barriers. So we're looking at the free flow of data to make sure that there is one space for data to move so these platforms can operate at a European level and then hopefully at an international level. Beyond that, it's a question of, are there standards which are not suitable in the current environment? Are there standards which give a competitive advantage to one player rather than allowing small startup businesses to enter the platforms, to develop their business, and that way to drive competitiveness and innovation in the European economy? That's our goal.